Hi there, explorers! Welcome aboard the Cloud Chaser. Today, we're setting off on an exciting journey to learn all about clouds and how they help us predict the weather. As you soar through the sky on this adventure, I'll guide you through how clouds form, the different types of clouds, and how clouds are used to forecast weather. Get ready to unlock some awesome knowledge. First, let's talk about how clouds form. Have you ever wondered how those puffy or wispy clouds appear in the sky? It all starts with water vapor. That's water in the form of gas. When warm air rises, the water vapor in the air cools down and turns into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. This process is called condensation. When enough droplets group together, we get a cloud. Clouds are an important part of the water cycle, the process that moves water around our planet. Pretty cool, right? Now that we know how clouds form, let's learn about the different types of clouds. There are four main types you'll encounter on our adventure: cumulus, cirrus, stratus, and nimbus. Cumulus clouds are those big, fluffy clouds you see on nice sunny days. They have flat bases and usually mean fair weather, but if they start getting tall, they can turn into storm clouds. Cirrus clouds look thin and wispy. They're found high up in the sky and are made of ice crystals. When you see cirrus clouds, it often means the weather might change soon. Stratus clouds are low, gray clouds that cover the sky like a big blanket. These clouds can bring overcast skies and sometimes light drizzle. Finally, we have nimbus clouds, which are responsible for bringing rain or even storms. A nimbus cloud can be dark and thick, and you'll usually see one when rain is on the way. By identifying these cloud types, you can make predictions about what the weather might be like. Ready to put your cloud spotting skills to the test? Clouds are not just beautiful to look at. They help meteorologists predict the weather. For example, when you see dark, dense clouds like nimbus clouds, you know rain or storms are coming. But when you see fluffy cumulus clouds, that usually means it's a sunny, clear day. Meteorologists use tools like radar to track cloud movements and changes in the weather. Radar helps them detect where clouds are and whether they'll bring rain or sunshine. The next time you look at the sky, think about what the clouds are telling you about the weather. Now that you've learned all about cloud formation, cloud types, and weather patterns, you're ready to use this knowledge in an exciting escape room adventure. Head to excavatingadventures.com for tons of interactive science-themed escape rooms where you can explore even more cool topics. And don't forget, you can earn free dig kits packed with awesome rocks, fossils, and minerals. Let's get exploring. Great job, explorers! You're now cloud experts, ready to take on the skies and unlock all the secrets of the weather. Remember to use this guide as you navigate your escape room adventure. And don't forget, keep looking up. There's always something to learn from the clouds above.